Welcome back to the classes of MasterPrest. Here I am. I thought today it would be nice to film outside a bit with the sounds of nature and with this autumnal day. After this long period of holidays, 3 days, it's time to continue studying a bit Italian. What do you think? I was thinking that my main goal is to teach you how to talk in Italian in an easy and fluid way. So I'm tired a bit of grammatics and things like that. It's nice to do some breaks with useful stuff. I like to learn sentences that I can use. So let's start it. In this lesson we will imagine that you're going to do a big, amazing vacation in Italy or an Erasmus. I highly suggest. So you're chilling, you're visiting Italy for the first time. If you meet someone funny, nice looking,
wow,
you need to talk to introduce yourself. So if you remember my last video about to be and to have, we learned some sentences. Do you remember, right?
of course, but maybe.
So, the most difficult way to greet someone in Italian is ciao. Ciao is used in many languages and some years ago I didn't know. For example, in Spanish it's written C-H-A-O, if I am not wrong, my Spanish followers will correct me in the case, and in French as well, with T at the beginning. But the difference between other languages and Italian is that you can say ciao to greet someone you don't know, when you arrive to your friends, you meet them, when you're saying goodbye, in all the situations, not only to say goodbye. Of course, this is informal way, because if there is an older people, someone that I need to have more respect for, or that I don't know, it's buongiorno. You can use buongiorno, that means literally good day.
Buongiorno, principessa!
From the morning till 4-5 p.m. Then it becomes Buonasera. Let's come back to our talk with an Italian mother tongue. So after this greeting, I can ask, come ti chiami? What's your name? Let's see the answer. Let's see like this, question and answer. Mi chiamo, your name. So, mi chiamo Marta, or, as you should remember from the last video, io sono Marta, I am Marta. Then, other question, where are you from? Da dove vieni? This is the most common sentence you will hear in Italian. So, where are you from? Vengo da. Vengo da la Spagna, Spain. Dalla Francia, France. Dalla Polonia, Poland. Dalla Germania, Germany. That literally means I come from. And instead, to express your nationality, you always use the verb to be. So, sono italiana, like I am Italian. Sono francese, I am French. Sono spagnola, I am Spanish. Sono americana, I am American. Remember that in Italian, in most of the cases, you should match the ending of an adjective with your sex. So, if I'm a woman, sono italiana. If you're a man, sono italiano. It's almost, let's say, 90% of the cases, ending in A is referred to women, ending in O is referred to men. There are some exceptions, of course, like sono francese, I am French, I'm a girl. Sono francese, I am a boy, the same. You should study these differences, but most of the time you can guess and people will be surprised that you know so well Italian. Then, what your new friend can ask you. Quanti anni hai? How old are you? And remember, I am 24. Ho, or io ho. Normally when we are speaking, we are not saying io ho. Normally you only say the verb. Ho 24 anni. Ho 20 anni. Instead, let's see if you know already someone and you want to talk with him. So what will you say? The same, ciao, and then you will ask how are you or what's up. So come stai is how are you. What's up, it's very used in Italian, come va. Come va, like how is it going? So you will answer bene, grazie, fine, thanks. Or in Italian you can listen to this answer from the most pessimistic people, like potrebbe andare meglio, it could go better, let's say. Then Italians are people that complain a lot, me included.
Because I work 12 hours a day. Me, my staff, you, the people who work in this club. I no permit for nothing, for a big name. No permit nothing. Because in my life, one people they give me present. I don't give present for the players.
So I could answer like, bene, però sono stanca. Good, fine, but I'm tired. Or benissimo when someone is really happy, like very, very good. Or not that good, non tanto bene. Or male, like bad, it's bad. I'm not feeling good. Or I'm sick, sono malata, sono malato. Okay. And then if you're a polite person, you will ask e tu and you will receive your answer. Let's see another useful situation. What is the first thing you would do in Italy? Comment below because I'm very curious. I think the answer for most of the people is I will go to eat the pizza. I would do the same.
Here's your sausage pizza.
Holy crap.
Isn't that ridiculous?
Shit.
So, let's say I'm going to a restaurant. I'm entering into the restaurant and I'm saying buongiorno or buonasera, depends on the time of the day. The first thing the waiter or waitress will ask you, for sure almost, it's quanti siete, how much people are you, let's say, to count, like which table to give you. So, you can say, I am alone, sono da sola, da solo, we are, remember, siamo, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, siamo 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. So, he or she will give you the table. Then you see, you choose into the menu, I'm sure you will understand most of the names of the food, and the waiter will come and ask you what do you want to drink. Cosa bevete? In a very informal way, like, what do you drink? So, you will answer normal, Coke, Coca, water, acqua, wine, vino, beer, birra. If you want to be more formal, you can say vorrei, I would like a pizza with mushrooms, una pizza coi funghi. And so on, lasagna, risotto, kebab.
I love you kebab, I love you kebab, I love you kebab, I love you kebab.
Or you can say also io prendo, that will be literally I take, blah 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 blah, all the menu. Okay. Then when you are leaving from a place in a formal situation, the greet will be arrivederci, like goodbye, au revoir, basta, I'm confused. Let's say you are in a big city like Rome and you're lost, you want to ask for some directions. What will you say? You will stop the person with the kindest looking face and you will ask him or her, scusi, excuse me, in a formal way. If you want to be formal and you're talking with a person, you will use third person singular, so lui, lei. Scusi, or mi scusi, excuse me, could you tell me where is the Colosseum? Può or potrebbe dirmi dove si trova il Colosseo? Scusi, potrebbe dirmi dove si trova la stazione? If you want to be quicker and you're a bit ashamed of talking in Italian, you can say dove si trova il supermercato? Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket located? Or where is the station? Dov'è la stazione? So in this case I can give you some vocabulary. Hospital is ospedale, school is scuola, university is università, supermarket, supermercato, stadium, stadio. Then you will receive this answer. So, let's see basic lexic. Straight is dritto, right is destra, left is sinistra. Let's see an answer, possible answer. Devi andare dritto e poi girare a destra. You should go straight and then turn right. An example. You can ask, is it far from here? È lontano da qui? Sì, è a 3 chilometri. Si trova a 3 chilometri. Yes, it is 3 kilometers far from here. Or, no, is right at the corner. No, è qua dietro l'angolo. Okay, I am aware that in this class I said a lot of stuff and many. I showed you maybe too much stuff and many words of vocabulary new that you never heard probably, or many sentences a bit difficult, but I wanted to integrate as much information as I could so you can have a panoramic view of all the sentences that could be useful. I think it should be enough for this video. If you like it and you find it useful, please give me un pollice alzato, a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon and study! Un bacio!